And old person, Shandina.
Shandina.
And D is not lenited after N. Common thing in Irish not to do that. Shandina. So, how do you think you would say, the word rod is thing, so how do you say a good thing? Jarod. Jarod. And a bad thing? Drochrod. And an old thing? Okay, Shanrod. Yeah. Now you can't use these for everything, okay? So usually when you want to say something's good, you're going to say ma. So you would say like a good car ma. Jakar would be weird. Okay.
Why is there a space between Jed,
because it could be, Ja tends to be hyphenated because it could be confused for another word possibly. The same is true for like the word on, meaning very, is usually hyphenated to it. Ro is typically not. Okay.
There's no other word.
The letter T or H that can get stuck at the beginning of the word usually doesn't get hyphenated, but the N when it gets stuck on a word is hyphenated because a lot of words begin with N and you might confuse them. T's get hyphenated. Actually, T's get hyphenated, N's do when they get attached to a word. It's because it's, yeah, like our nahar as opposed to our nahar, both of which are the only difference is the hyphen, okay?
So Irish grammar is really a work in progress, huh?
No, I mean, it's pretty much that. I mean, the thing is the spelling, it's actually not that. I mean, T's you hyphenate it, N's you hyphenate. You have to know that it's not going to be confused for another word. Huh?
I told him his understanding of grammar was the work in progress.
That might be one. Okay. Actually, other than some changes that have happened, the spelling's been reformed relatively recently, actually. So it matches to a large part the way things are said now. Which is, I guess, the advantage of the spelling reform is that, it has some disadvantages, obviously, too. But now the word ban, word I love because it has just so many different meanings. Basic idea of getting something out from something, okay? But it depends a lot on what words are used with it, and there's a lot of idioms that use the word ban in them. And a lot of it depends on what preposition is used with it. Okay, so ban je, or some variant of that, has an idea of taking something from somewhere. Okay, so when she and analgium is it took my breath away. Anal is breath, so when she and anal it took the breath. Gium is from me. That's the word je, meaning from or of, okay? But also when you take off your coat, I would say, one me machota gium, okay? So I took my coat off of me, or off or from me, okay? So you want to ask someone to take their coat off, you say, banjit dakota. So banjit dakota is...
Gium is took or away?
From me.
Oh.
Giat is from you. So basically this is a command, take from you your coat or take off your coat. Banjit dakota, just lig the ski and let your ski or rest. Okay? So tarshja, banjit dakota, just lig the ski, or banjit dakota, just sishias. So take off your coat and sit down. Okay?
My grandmother loves to say that to me.
Okay, there you go.
But she keeps her house like 72 degrees, so it's not happening.
Okay. So another expression to say you enjoyed something, you say sentence F, one me tainyav asanglicha. Tainyav is pleasure. So one me tainyav asanglicha, I got pleasure out of the game, I enjoyed the game. One me tainyav asanglicha. Or you can command someone, you could say, ban tainyav us, whatever, us the horse from your trip or something. Ban tainyav us the brisky from the cookies, whatever, enjoy, okay? Ban
Can you
tainyav.
pronounce the word for breath again?
Anal. Anal. It's probably a word in English that's related, so.
I don't know.
Okay, another good expression, I probably shouldn't teach you this, but ni wanyan shelat, it doesn't concern you. Okay? Ni wine in Shilat, it doesn't concern, none of your business. Okay? And so again, you're using a different preposition here, the le. Okay? Ni wine in Shilat. It doesn't concern you. Okay? Alright, what I'm going to do is read through it all. So, sorry, just the whole thing. And then we'll go around the room. Okay? So, starting at the top. Nuair a tháinig sé hiige hain, bhí sin a lí ar na céimeanna lasmuid an teach. Bhí tinnas cí ó fásach air. Chuirdaí sé a fócaí chun teachta an beicéad aspiríní bach nach leis a iompar nuair a bhíoh sé ag dul ar na canaí. Bhí siad folamh. Chuirdaí sé a rí siad. Bhí gach rud imethe, a bhalet, a chuirtaí credmheasa, a chuid airgid, ochracha an char. Dearadh sé agus chuaigh sé suas na céimeanna go déan teach. Ní raibh solas ar bithe lasa an. Bhfuil sé an clogin. Níor tháinig aon duine go déan doras. Bhfuil sé an clog arís agus arís eile. Ní raibh torra ar bith ar a chuid iireachtaí. Rith sé sios na céimeanna agus dhéifrí sé chuig an lán a lámh leis an teach in a raibh an car fagthaige. Bhí an Porsche imethe. Thiúil sé go lár na cathrach agus tháinig sé ar taxi a dumpar a bháile é. Díag sé an tomáí le harigid a bhí curtha leataobh aige de nóra í bhróchain an bhean glantachain a bhí aige. An sin dhéifrí sé isteach, thug air a thiomar leapa, thracha chu déadí de hain agus hit isteach sa leba, mar bheith duine éigen tar is é legan na tua. Chnág ben í bhróchain ar an doras agus chuaigh sé isteach a siomar leapa. Lig sí osna nuair a chanig sé an crot a bhí ar an siomra. Bhí éadí cat sé ngachéin áite ar an urlar. Bhí peir a brog laibach an a lí ar an leba. Bhain an drochhóla sa siomra an analgy. Okay? We're shouts anish, so your turn now. Okay? Heather, you want to start us off?
Oh, sure.
Nuair a tháinig sé hiige hain, bhí sé an lí ar na céimeanna lasmuid an teach.
Bhí tinnas cí uafasach air.
Yeah. Chuirdaí sé.
Chuirdaí sé a fócaí chuid teacht an beicéad aspiríní bach nach leis a iompar nuair a bhíoh sé ag dul ar na canaí.
Yeah, eggdol.
Eagdul.
Okay. Take a couple of them, Gert.
Bhí siad fá chuirdaí sé aris iad.
Okay. Kevin?
Bhí gach rud imethe, a bhalet, a chartaí
A chartaí.
cremeise,
Credmheasa.
credmheasa, a chuid airgid,
Ochracha.
ochracha an char.
Jerry sé agus bhí ag suas na cinema go dtí an teach.
Number 8, Bob.
Ní raibh solas ar bith ar lasa an.
Andy?
Bhfuil sé an chlógéine
And Clegeen.
a chlógéine. Níor tháinig aon duine go de an doras.
Good G and Doris.
Dé an doras.
Heather?
Bhfuil sé an chlog arís agus arís eile.
Ní raibh toirí ar a chuid iireachtaí.
Rith sé sios
Shears.
na céimeanna agus dhéifrí sé chuig an lánala leis an teach a raibh an car baga aige.
Take a couple, Gert.
Bhí an Porsche imethe.
Do another first.
Nua sé go leir na cathrach agus tháinig sé taxi iompar a bháile é.
Jug sé,
Diak sé.
Jig sé an tíon Conley,
Chomani.
le Harrogate,
Harrogate.
Harrogate, a bhí curry í Lítav,
Lativ.
Latív, Egi, Lenora í Rochain,
Vrochain.
an bhean Glantanin,
Glantachain.
Glantahain, a bhí Egi.
Okay. Actually, I didn't correct you on the word kurha. Kurha, the standard way to say it. Curry is what you're going to hear actually in the West particularly, but they tend to pronounce the THA differently. Okay, got a good one for you, huh?
Anshin, Yafishes Jack, for I era Shomra Lapa, Scott Cuid Eddie, de Pain Agus, it is Jack, Salavamar, de Dina Egan Tarish, Ea Lagan.
Good. Yeah. Only words vech or vech.
Ná bhean ní borcháin ar a doras agus chuid síos teach sa seomra lepa.
Lig si asna nura a hannig si an carta bí ar an salma.
In Shomra.
Shoma.
Bhí caite nach é naid ar nar lar.
Bhí Perebrog Libra